Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Samsung Galaxy M32. Yes, it's a bit late for this video, but I got this product from Amazon because now the Republic Day sale, it was a very good deal, and I got the 6GB model and 128 GB of storage. And as you can see here, my friends, here it is written the price is 18,999, but I got it for 14,000 because I had a bank offer and all. Also the price was very decreased. So the box is very simple as all the Samsung box nowadays. The main reason of getting the M32 instead of the M32 5G is that, my friends, we will be also unboxing it later on. The M32 5G is that this is a 5G phone and this is a 4G phone. Then the major difference that I found was the display. As you can see here, this is a full HD Super AMOLED display, whereas this is a 720p TFT display. No matter we get a 5G here and a good processor like the Dimensity 720, but as compared to the display, this is not a good part. Yes, you will get a 90Hz display here. This is a 60Hz display, but rest assured, both phones which one you buy, you will be very happy. And stay tuned for this unboxing also. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. So as you can see, this is the black model SM M325F. DS means dual SIM. So we will open this. So inside the box, this is the phone, as you can see here. So there is no pull tab. So okay, the pull tab was like this when we found. Okay, this is the packaging problem. Samsung, if you're watching this video, be careful that your employees are not giving this phone in this way. Instead, they are pushing it inside. I don't think that will be a transportation issue because it is a packed one, and we open the seal. Inside the box we get the phone and what type of charger is this? This is a 15 watt charger and 10 watt charger. This is a fast charger, as you can see, adaptive fast charger, but it supports up to 15 watt. We get a USB-A to USB-C cable, and I don't think this cable is very long, my friends. This is a very short cable. Let's open it and check it out. Yes, this is like I think this will be around less than a meter, 0.9 meter. So this is a very bad thing that I don't like. Let's keep this aside and let's dig inside the phone. So this is the black model. As you can see here, this is the black model, and we are opening it up. Okay, let's keep all this. And as always, my friends, I have already got the tempered glass for it, and it is a Spigen one, and we will be installing it immediately on top of this phone, because as always, if you are new to my channel, then let me tell you that I buy a phone, I also buy the tempered glass to install it immediately. And out of the box, we don't get any kind of screen protector on top of this phone, and the phone looks really nice. As you can see, this is the rainbow effect that we get. This is the black color, but still we get the rainbow effect. Let's open this too. Be very careful while opening the sticker, my friends. If you pull it very fast, then you will leave the adhesive on top of the phone's back surface, and if you pull it slowly, as I'm doing, you will not leave any kind of adhesive. See, it is totally clean now. You can see there is no adhesive. So we will check what's inside the box on back of the phone. Oh yes, we get here we get a box here. You can stick this on top of here, because if you want anything later on, you can check it from here. So inside here, what we get? Yes, we get some papers. These are the warranty card, and there is no SIM ejector tool. Okay, here it is. This is the SIM ejector tool that we get inside here. So we'll start checking the phone first with the SIM ejector tool, which is inside here on the left hand side of the phone. Just a gentle push, and here we get two SIM cards. As you can see, two SIM cards and one microSD card. So this phone supports dual voltage 4G with a memory card, and nothing on the left hand side. Below we get 3.5mm headphone jack, one microphone, USB-C port, one speaker. Right hand side we get the power button, which is also a fingerprint sensor. This is the volume rocker, and on top of here we get another microphone for I think noise cancellation in here. And on the back, as we have already seen, we get a 64 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel quad camera setup, which is 222 megapixel and 64 1 and 81. That means the photo qualities will be really nice here. And on the front camera we get a 20 megapixel camera, and the display is 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display, and the battery capacity is 6000 mAh, my friends. It is 6000 mAh, as you can see here, it is mentioned here too, 6000 mAh, and 15-watt inbox fast charger. So we don't need to go around shop to buy chargers and everything. Let's boot this phone up and check it out. So out of the box, I think we get Android 11, One UI 3.1. I think it's not One UI 4.0, but this phone will get an update to 12 and maybe 13, because Samsung nowadays are providing 2 years of OS update, and they have promised for 4 years of security patch update. What they will do in the future, or what the terms and conditions they will change, that I don't know, but right now that is the information, my friend. The M32 that I unboxed earlier in my channel, that gets 2 years of OS update and 4 years of security patch. The A52 that we unboxed in my channel, that will get 3 years of OS update and 4 years of security patch. So you are good to go. So let me skip this part of setting up this phone, and we will see what I get. There is one thing new, my friends. Here nowadays we are getting a selection of English India, which was not available earlier. So you can select English India here, or select OK, select start. You need to install a SIM. As long as you don't install a SIM, or you connect this phone to a Wi-Fi, this phone won't start its warranty. It will start once you connect it to a Wi-Fi or a SIM card you install it. Okay, I've read everything. Next. So I don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi right now. Don't copy. We just need to see the phone, how it looks. Okay, accept it. So we are on the final screen. You are all set up. Now I click the finish here. As you can see, the display quality is really nice here. Okay. The phone has booted up for the first time, my friends, and the display looks really nice. I like it, even though it has slight bezels here and around the display and all, but it doesn't feel that bad, because if we check my phone, then it's a very good thing that we get bezel-less, because it is a S21 Plus and this is a M32. There will be a difference, but still this is a very good setup. So we'll check what we get inside the box, and the phone pre-installed, software about. As you can see here, my friends, software information. Yes, this is One UI 3.1 Android 11 with a with a November 2021 patch. So it is a very good thing. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel, and I have shown you what kind of memory storage it has and RAM it has. And if you want to check the internal storage, then we have to go to my files, and here you can see this is a 128 GB of found. So processing is really fine. I see there is no stutter, nothing. It works really nice. Out of the box we get Google as a sidebar, and these are the apps, as you can see, pre-installed here. Yes, these are the apps that are pre-installed here. You can just remove it and don't use anything. You can totally clean it up. The Samsung has provided that facility. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Stay safe. Bye bye.